Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use CLA2A. First, understand its core function as an optical compressor, delivering a smooth and musical compression. It's renowned for adding warmth and character to your audio. You'll primarily adjust two main knobs: peak reduction for compression amount and gain for makeup gain. This simplicity makes it incredibly intuitive for achieving professional results quickly. Let's dive into the controls. The peak reduction knob determines how much the signal is compressed. Turning it clockwise increases the compression. The gain knob then allows you to boost the overall output level, making up for any volume lost during compression. Remember to use the limit versus compress switch to select your desired compression ratio, with limit offering a much higher ratio. The CLA2A shines on several sources. For vocals, it provides a natural, transparent leveling, making them sit perfectly in the mix without sounding overly processed. On bass, it can add a thick, solid foundation, evening out inconsistent notes. Try it on acoustic guitars to bring out their natural resonance and add a pleasing sustain. Experiment to find its sweet spot for your specific tracks. For advanced techniques, try using two CLA2 as in series. The first can handle initial peak reduction, while the second provides a gentler, overall leveling. This approach offers more control and a smoother sound. Also, consider placing the CLA2A before your EQ to manage dynamics before shaping the tone. And hey, if you're looking to improve your financial mindset, check the description for a great book recommendation and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.